All right, so Hannah, you wanted a video walkthrough, and I figured why wait for Grandma? We could just do one here. We have my narrator, Lena Bunger. We have our friend, Nally Bunger, who wants to go outside, who can't go. This is the vestibule, by the way. All right, Lena, start in the living room and work our way that way. So what is this? Yeah. So here we have...
This is the living room, and we're going to put a TV above that picture. I think we're actually going to take down the picture. There's games in there. I really don't know.
Good floating shelves. We got a good fireplace.
And
Big windows.
so there's a window, and if
There you
you
got.
go, yeah, that's the kitchen.
We'll get back to the kitchen.
And if you go out there, that's the back porch.
Yeah, we've seen the porch, I think. I think she's seen that before.
And
It's concrete.
this one's Reed's room.
Reed, say hi to Hannah.
Wait. Oh,
Reed has a light show in his room. You want to turn on your light show? It's like a raven here.
there. One for you. Watch this though. Ooh.
All right, moving on.
Okay.
Go down the hallway.
So this is bathroom. Liam's actually.
Liam's in the bathroom. Let's show him Liam's room.
We'll get that. So this is Liam's room. It's a little messy.
He gets an extra window with his.
Yeah. Why is it here?
It's the broken one. We just need
Yeah,
to throw it
here's
in the
the broken
dumpster.
window. And the windows are a little dusty. This is bed, that's a closet, and
Yeah, that's it. No big deal.
yeah. I know. And this is the closet, it's just to like, where we put all our towels, stuff.
Hall closet.
And this one's my room. And here's my bed. And this is my rug. This is my closet. This is the shelf. Yeah.
Pretty much it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go show her the kitchen.
Hola, señorita.
He's still in the bathroom. It's okay. It looks like a bathroom in there.
Yeah, it really does.
Uh-huh. Here's our,
Right in the
this is our now tiny table.
Can I show something?
It's my lovely wife.
And this is the fridge, and you can draw on it. And I wrote that.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Got 3 drawers.
and
No
then
room for anything.
So this is the kitchen. Here's a sink,
Good deep sink.
and
This is our fancy
stove
cooktop I was telling you about.
And you can spin the knob,
Oh, yeah.
and it will let them go up, or you could use your finger to do that.
Yeah.
But it's more cool with the.
Green island full of stuff.
And here's
Lots of drawers.
another sink,
Prep sink.
and so it's kind of confusing. This is actually the microwave and the oven. This is the microwave and the oven too.
Yeah, so if you want to use the microwave, you turn it on, and then it's like so fancy you can turn it on and stuff.
And then.
Otherwise, it just looks like a microwave, just
And
a real
then
deep one.
this is the oven.
Yeah.
And
All right, pantry me, Batman.
oh, pantry. This is our pantry. It's a little short, but this is the what's it called?
Toaster oven.
Oh yeah, the toaster oven.
Nelly, out.
This is a food, and yeah,
It's food.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
food. We actually have food.
We had Samuel, our carpenter. Oh, thank you. Build us
A hook.
a bench and some hooks.
Yep. And this is.
This is my favorite, the pocket doors.
I don't like it because I can't lock it.
What?
I don't like because I can't lock it.
You can. It's just finicky.
So this is the bathroom, half bath.
Yeah.
And this is the
Like the,
storage closet,
yeah,
whatever.
that sort of thing.
Yeah, like we put all our brooms,
Mhm.
mops, all that stuff.
This is one of those amazing toilets I was telling you about. They're the best.
But they're not
There's no bidet.
yeah.
Yeah,
they're
there's no bidet.
I wish you got that. And this is the laundry
slash
Nelly.
Nellie's bedroom.
A little loud for her, but so here's a second fridge. It's just like
It's just our old fridge.
yeah. We store extra. You never said you brought orange juice.
I didn't. Maybe your beautiful mother did.
Okay, so this
That's sink number 3. That's an ice maker.
this is an ice maker.
She doesn't care about the ice maker, but okay.
Yeah. This is the third sink, and
Washer and dryer cabinets.
this is the
Dryer.
dryer. This is the washer.
All right, let's go show them real quick. Stop sniffing on the treats. Up next is a very dirty garage.
We need to show them your room too.
We'll get there. This is the garage. It's very big. Nope, don't open the door.
I didn't.
Okay, just turn the light off. I don't want the dog going for a run.
Oops.
We got plenty of room for stuff in here. Ugh. We need to get some stuff out. Come on, Nellie.
Yeah. So they don't mess.
Honey, we have light switches. We can use the lights now. We don't have to use the garage lights.
Can I show them upstairs?
Let's do the master first, and then we will.
Can I show them how to play Pac-Man?
No, they know how to play Pac-Man.
So this is my mommy and dad's bed. They're comfy.
So comfy. This is the chair that Mama bought today. It looks exactly like the one my 80-year-old great aunt had in her house in 1995. All right, come on. Lots of windows.
So this is my mom and dad's closet.
Master closet, yeah.
slash the safe room.
Yeah.
It's made out of concrete, so if there's a tornado, we can come in here. And yeah. And this is the bathroom. It's actually really cool because there's actually slide doors my dad put in. And
Sure did. Mostly right, too. Don't get in the shower, Nellie.
Really
Big bathtub,
bathtub, nice bathtub.
water closet,
Bathroom,
toilet.
toilet,
We shut those lights off. Oh my gosh.
And this is the
Those are closets.
I need to put
Or
this back in.
cabinets. Okay. This is the mirror that I hung. This is what I've gotten done this week, was hanging that mirror. Poorly.
No one.
All right, let's go upstairs real quick. Mom's ready to put you to bed.
Let's
go, Nellie. Come on.
I'm saying we're not allowed to play Donkey Kong.
We are not.
So there's plastic, but it's fine. No. So this is gonna be actually a game room, and it's gonna be like so. There's Pac-Man, there's Donkey Kong. We're either gonna put 4 TVs put together or a projector right here.
Maybe just one TV to start with.
Maybe
We'll
not.
see. We'll see.
And here's a Pizza Hut lamp. Watch.
Turn all the other lights on.
Bathroom in there. That's okay.
Yeah, bathroom.
Media closet in there. Bar sink here. It's just a closet currently. Nellie, what's back there? Keep going.
And this is
Spare bedroom.
slash Liam's.
So yeah, Liam's taking over the whole house.
And this is just attic storage.
And an office for Charity.
Dirty.
She gets to be surrounded by boxes. All right, that's the house.